Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here again, and today we're going to talk about slip knots. Now, just about any project that you start that you use yarn with, like crocheting or knitting, they're always going to start with a slip knot. At least I've never seen one that didn't start with a slip knot. So, grab your yarn and we'll get started. Okay, so here we are. We've got some yarn. Ta-da! And we're going to use that to make our slip knot. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a circle with your yarn. And you're going to take your pointy finger, index finger, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to squash that down just like that. And the reason you're going to hold that in place is because you're going to move it just a little bit. You're going to move that circle on top of your other piece of yarn there. So it almost looks like you've got a circle with a line through it. Then you're going to take your fingers and pinch, 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 pinch onto that yarn that's going across the middle. You're going to pinch that, and you're going to give it a little yank, and there's your slip knot. Here's the reason they call it a slip knot. It slips right out. Okay, so let's try that again. So the first step is to make your circle. Hold it down. Move that circle on top of that other piece of yarn there. Pinch down onto that middle piece and give it a good yank. And there you go. Let's unslip it. Good. Now let's try it with a piece of blue yarn. Do you think blue will be any harder? I don't think so. Okay, let's give ourselves a circle. Hold your finger down there where they meet. Move your circle on top. Pinch that piece of yarn in the middle, give it a yank. There you go. And unslip it. So feel free to rewind and watch that as many times as you need to. I know for me, it takes a lot of practice till I get things right. Here's another way, though, for when you're feeling more confident. This is the way I generally make my slip knots. You're going to wrap that yarn around your finger, and you see you've got some on your thumb there. You're going to bring those together, and you still have that circle, just happens to be going around your finger. You're going to pinch it together just like you were before. You're going to keep that loop on your finger there, and you're going to scoot your finger down underneath, and you're going to grab that loop and pull it up through. And you still have the same thing, slip knot. And in that method, you're basically using your finger the same way as you would use your crochet hook. So you're going to go around your finger, pinch those together, wiggle that finger underneath, grab that loop of yarn, and pull it through. I'm going to do that one more time. Around. Hold them together, scooch underneath, pull it up through. There you go. That's how you make a slip knot. So hopefully you found that tutorial helpful, and if you did, please click like and subscribe and leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you. And if there's any other tutorials that you'd like to see in the future, please let me know that as well. I'm hoping to make a lot more of these. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.